Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Upwork talent. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Upwork and we click here. Then we click on full stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.